It's Steve here. Hope you're doing awesome today. This is Free Fallin' by Tom Petty in under 3 minutes. I mean, who needs a guitar lesson for more than 3 minutes when you've only got 3 chords in the whole song? So check this out. We're going to start right away on the 3rd fret. You put your capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. We're going to play a D major shape. D major, technically the whole song is in, I don't know what chord it's in or what key it's in, but we're gonna play D major shape. Now I'm going to a G. You could do a regular G major, but what makes this song magical here is that 6th fret of the B string. When you're playing that D, you leave that finger there and play this G. I think it's a G major, sus2 or something like that. I'm not good at music theory. I just play like that. So you're doing a G major, but you're including that note right there, 6th fret of the B string. And by doing that, you just sort of lay this finger down. G major, back to D, D major, and to A major. And that's it, ready? So those last ones are that G major with that note right there. Cool tip, put your thumb here when you play the D sometimes like this. Hear that? So you can see me using my thumb right there, and it just does that over and over and over again. It's like 3 chords and you're done, but you just mix it up, and occasionally, it does that cool little guitar part in the middle. I'm palm muting right here. I'm hitting mostly the low notes, but going a little low and high. So that's it. D major, G major, back to D, back to A, and back to D. The simplest song of all time, but it's really great. That's what makes it so great. All right, hit like, hit subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Check it out in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think, and stick around for another 3-minute guitar lesson soon. See ya.